we?
Animal Kingdom.
Yay!
So we're going to finish the rides we didn't complete.
Yeah.
We'll try and get on Flight and Passage again.
Yo.
It's Matchy Matchy Day today.
Yes, look at us,
We did our
Charlie.
Matchy Matchy t-shirts today.
Yay.
So this is the last time we're going to go to Animal Kingdom this
Yeah.
year.
And then tonight we have to pack or leave the villa. We're gonna stay in Hard Rock.
Hard Rock.
Yeah, here we go.
So we're going to get early entries and fast passed all day.
Yeah.
We're just going to be in ride after ride after ride after ride.
Yeah.
So from so we stayed in Sunset Boulevard, the little estate there, didn't we?
Yeah, it's absolutely.
Really nice. And it's only 13 minutes away from Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
So all the Disney resorts are quite close to us.
Yeah.
And it's not too bad traffic.
No.
You don't have to go on the I-4 or anything.
No.
Which is good. Obviously it's going to be great when you're staying on site, like we're going to be the next week. But it's been really, really enjoyable, and I think we would definitely do these villas
Villa.
again.
Yeah.
It's nice having a villa because it can get a bit hot and intense on the park.
Yeah.
So yeah, looking forward to a good day. Where are we eating tonight?
Are we going to the Vinland, or are we going for kebab? We'll see.
We'll see. Hopefully.
See how we feel. Yeah, I don't mind either. Okay. Alright.
We'll see. So off we go to Animal Kingdom.
Yay!
Lulu rope drop again. How you feeling?
Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
We did go through all this last time, didn't we?
We did come on the road walk.
Didn't we?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, like after.
Everest is down at the moment, not working. So I think everybody's going on to the safari today. Which mummy likes the safari, so job done. Safari, and then we'll see if we can get on the water one after. See what time it'll be. Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm kind of not happy today at all.
I didn't have the wrist support.
See what happens.
Alright, so we're already seeing a very large group of giraffes as well as zebras. Of everyone everywhere all at once. And all the giraffes that we're going to see today are Maasai giraffes. You can tell that by looking at their coats, their spots, which are rough and jagged. The edges don't really line up down the sides. This is going to be our easiest indicator that they are indeed the Maasai giraffes. Looking around, you might notice that they all seem to be eating, and it's not just because it's breakfast time. The giraffes will spend a majority of their waking 20 hours per day doing so. They don't need to sleep a whole lot. They do need to eat a lot. Throughout the day, giraffes are going to consume roughly 75 pounds worth of vegetation. It's their favorite hobby in the whole wide world. And their most useful tool for all that eating is the giraffe's long prehensile tongue. Prehensile means that it is strong, it is flexible, it can use it to grab and grip onto things finger-like. What they're going to use to reach up to grab onto their food. It's also what they'll use as a grooming tool to clean up their own ears and eyeballs. Left-hand side, we're getting our first look at some African painted dogs out there. Look at their name, painted dogs, from their coat patterns. Once again, I need all my friends fully seated, even all the way in the back. I can see ya. Fully seated, guys. Okay, that's their name from their coat patterns, which are incredibly unique to each individual dog. Looks like they were hand-painted by an artist. They are a type of canine, but they're a little bit different from your typical domesticated dog or even wolf. For example, painted dogs have 4 toes rather than 5, and they are one of Africa's most successful predators. They go out together as a pack and quite literally chase their prey down to exhaustion. Now, still over there on our right-hand side, we are getting just such a cute little view of all of those zebras out there. Looks like the whole family's out and about this morning. These are the Hartman's mountain zebras. Have a couple options to identify them. You can look at their necks. They've got that extra bit of skin. It's called a dewlap. They are the only species of zebra to have that. So another fun little identifying feature would be the extra wide stripes on their hind legs, paired with the white band on their bellies. That is another unique characteristic of the Hartman's mountain zebras. And those iconic zebra straps go all the way down to their skin. It's not just on their coats. Right hand side, absolutely ridiculously gorgeous look at this African elephant. He looks so statuesque out there this morning. Now this is more than likely a male elephant. Oh, quick pause on that actually. Look to your left as well. If you look through the bushes, you can just see his colorful face. There's a mandrill in the bushes there. Yeah.
It's a monkey. It's a monkey, I think.
Elephant say, look at my ears.
He's just eating.
So the safari was great today. More animals out.
Yeah.
It's a bit early, a bit cooler. So it was better than the first time, which is good. And now we're actually here, what we've come here for today, Animal Kingdom, is the, what's it called, Charles? Kalai River Rapids. We queued for it last time, and it started thunder and lightning, so they stopped the ride. So we didn't get to go on it the first time. We went to Animal Kingdom. Yeah. Got to about this position. It was a long queue, wasn't it? So today, it looks like, fingers crossed, we're gonna make it to the end. Shut up, mate. And what? He says with such a big round head, mate. Qua lại rồi chứ, qua lại. Savannah. Okay. We're going on to rabbit. This reminds me of something else, Charlie.
I know.
What did we go on like this?
Nanchang.
Nanchang was there?
Yeah.
The wet people and the dry people. In on the rapids.
They're not wet.
They made it dry.
Yeah, they're really dry.
We need to go on their boat. Their boat's a dry boat. We go Kawadadi.
First wrap, you slow it.
Who's going round? These are the boats. It's a wet seat.
Oh. Once you guys are seated, go ahead and put on your seatbelt.
He's out, Mama.
She only stops for about 30 seconds and we'll take off the
Hi.
stop those hands. And then make sure that we're giving Kevin space to come around for you. She doesn't have to show up those feathers. And we're about 3 minutes.
So Linda has now made it official. Our favourite ride in Orlando so far is
Follow passage.
and she's got us standing here now for 85 minutes, so she can do it one more time.
Before we leave the park.
How many lightning are you going to put next to this? So 85-minute wait.
Yeah.
Now 10 o'clock. So we'll see what happens. Get Mummy on her flight. Our passage. So while in the queue, it's a cool little lab, isn't it? She's pretty cool. How long have you been waiting now, Lou?
49 minutes.
49.
Gave me a 10 away.
Okay. Oh my god, there's mummy and everything.
Checking on flyers, final forward.
No, the day we came in general, just quieter.
When?
That day, Saturday, last Saturday.
I'm right here. Straight ahead. You have to close that or throw it away.
Nearly there. Nearly there. Hey Pandora. Bye-bye for 2024. We love Flight of Passage.
Love it.
Lily's #1 fan.
So far.
She's going to join the fan page.
I will.
Flight of Passage.
Amazing. Has to drive. Has to do it.
What do you mean?
So, bye-bye Pandora.
Bye bye Animal Kingdom. Go out now.
On our way out.
Oh my god.
Bye-bye. Tree of Life. See you again or in the next life.
We left the Animal Kingdom and right now is 12:01. We're trying to have an early lunch so we'll be able to eat tonight. And we are heading to K-pop, which is like a Korean.
Really?
Yes. Excited, Charlie? So it's like Korean fast food, street food sort of place. We see in we see on the YouTube. I'm gonna try it today. So they got like a Korean style fried chicken, burgers, and we find out in a minute. We will be there in 3 minutes. Excited, Daddy?
No. Charlie's K-pop Korean food. Charlie's getting.
I'll show you hold on.
What you order fries?
With the meal.
Oh, the meal. We got Tucker's fries, we got Tucker's corn dog, cheese inside.
It's lovely.
Wow. Lovely. Nice, Mama.
Lovely.
How's the corn dog, Charles? Hey. Lovely.
Sausage in there.
There is sausage in there. Away. Yum yum steak. Okay, Mama. Go on then.
I've got the ramen, pork ramen, barbecue. Pork, yeah. Oh, I don't know. Oh, sweet one.
Nice, Mama. K-pop's all done. Very nice, filling up. Food's lovely. Food was great. Didn't manage to finish everything, but did okay. Girls, I'm not ticking you right there. Job done. Back to the park villa now. Haven't tidied up in the pattern. So we're going to Disney Springs, aren't we? So Lulu could get her magic band back. We lost the magic band. Where do we lose it?
What were you Magic Kingdom?
Magic Kingdom.
Last day.
I've just been to Coca-Cola shop, bought a hat. Nice time. So it's really good how they got it in the Lost and Found,
I know.
which is at the bus station, Disney Springs.
Never thought that I ever gonna find it.
No. You know, we got it. ours was called Take 6. So I think it's got 6 different toppings. Very peanut buttery. Very nice. Very cool. Charlie gave it an 8. I gave it 9. Mama, what did you give it?
9.
M&M World. This smell weird, isn't it? That's weird. What are we trying?
Hi. Do you have any food allergies?
No.
3?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much. Here's your education today.
Where's yours, Mama? Cake.
Plum pudding pie.
Oh, Christmas.
Day 12.
End of day 12. Leaving the villa tomorrow morning, so
Yeah.
we're just packing up now, getting everything ready, tidying up a little bit from the villa. Today we did Animal Kingdom, had a break in the afternoon. Charlie had a swim, and then tonight we went to Disney Springs. We were going to take a light show, but it was so busy because it's Friday night.
Yeah.
So on the way home, we stopped for some takeaways, Popeyes, and chicken stop.
Wingstop.
Wingstop. And then we're, that's it. Packing up now for tonight.
Yeah.
And early start tomorrow morning. Get everything in the car. It's going to be a hard morning. So, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.